Guys, who isn't a lover of meat pie? Talk more of that healthy one. Oh my god, I just can't wait to taste this. Do you want to see how we came out with this healthy meat pie recipe? This is not white flour, it is whole wheat flour. Oh my god, it tastes yummy. Great people, thanks for tuning in. Let's go straight to our recipe. Here is beef, and spicing it up, you can use any ingredient of your choice. So guys, just stick through the end of this video. There I will put the final recipe. Guys, making my dough this time, I'm using the LAHOME mixer. Much easier. It made my work very less stressful. Guys, you can check among my other videos. You will see a review I made concerning this mixer, how you can use it. I'm using Atta flour. I'm making use of the whole wheat flour for this recipe. And this is the third time I'm ever trying this method using Atta flour, not the processed or refined flour. And guys, it was the best ever. When it comes to cholesterol, very low. And like I said, you get a recipe, the full recipe at the end of this video. So guys, keep watching. So guys, at this point, when the flour or the dough is molding, it depends on the consistency you want. You can add in some water or you can add in milk. It depends on your consistency. So I'm working according to how I want my consistency to look like. So after I allow it to mix like this very well, I had to add in 1 cup of milk to let it form, just like what you can see right now. I'm adding 1 cup of milk because when it comes to whole wheat flour, it's stronger than the normal refined flour. The normal refined flour is softer than the whole wheat flour. So if you want to work based on the normal recipe for 4 cups of flour or maybe 5 cups of flour, you have to go extra when it comes to whole wheat flour because it's really strong. It has a lot of fiber in it. This took me no time to prepare the meat pie because the machine had already done the work, and I really enjoyed using it. Like, it's no time consuming. It's no time consuming. I highly recommend this, guys. Not only for meat pie, you can use it for any pastry making, be it your bread making, cake, cookies, whatever you want to make. As long as it's a dough, you're good to go with it. All you need to just do is prepare your ingredients, put them together, and you just pour in there, set it, and that's it. Guys, it's highly recommended. Guys, our dough is ready. Our dough is ready now. I'll just remove and set that aside while I move on with the filling preparation. Chopping some boiled potatoes, and grating the carrot. Guys, beside you will see the blender to blend beef, but I'm not doing it that way. This method, I'm chopping my meat like I want to see the chunks of meat in my filling in. I love to eat meat pie and I'm seeing the meat in itself. Many others use the crushed meat, but I prefer using this method. Sometimes I also use the crushed one, but most of the times I use this method, guys, and it's really great. I love filling the meat chunks while eating. You can also try this method, guys. Next, after dividing my dough accordingly, I am doing the next part, which is this, and I will use any round bowl which you have, which can enable you to get that size. Okay, you can also use the already made tools, but I have it here is the small size, which I didn't want it to be too small since it's for home consumption. I need my pie to be a little bit bigger, and that's the reason why I'm putting much filling in there, because I want to be eating my pie and I'm feeling it rich inside. Okay, guys, meat pie is just one of the snacks or pastry that is very easy to make. You see, after doing that, putting in and pressing the side so it will close neatly. Next is just to bake it, guys. That's all. It's really easy to make. I will do that for the rest of the process. Guys, drop in the comments section which is your favorite pie. Is it the meat pie, the chicken, or the fish pie? I love all of them. I love all of them. Guys, it's always advisable you divide your filling in together with your dough so that they will be equal, to avoid the case of having shortages. I later on used this tool to also make it, but I didn't really enjoy using this one because it's very small and I didn't like the corner of it. The corner of it didn't come out like the others you saw, so I had to resort by making the others much than this one. Yeah, I made more of them than this one. I had just one or two of these, I think so. You see. So guys, we finally made it. Wow, can you see our whole wheat flour? Sorry guys, I didn't show the process of baking. I omitted that. Guys, here is the outcome. Can you see that? Oh my god, I can't just wait to. So here comes the outcome of it. It was really delicious. So guys, why not use wheat flour other than the white flour to put yourself on a safer side to avoid that high cholesterol? I ate this and I really enjoyed it. Yes, so you need to taste this. You need to try it and thank me later. Thanks for watching, guys. I love it. I will keep doing this. See you guys in my next video.